Hello everyone and welcome to this Atlas School AI Assistant review. Is this the best AI tool for students? Well, in the demanding world of academics, staying on top of homework, preparing for exams, and truly understanding complex concepts can be a real challenge. Atlas aims to be your ultimate AI-powered stool companion. It is designed to streamline your learning process and help you achieve better grades. It promises to analyze your class materials and provide personalized, accurate assistance. So, in this video, we'll be talking about the features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and at the end, you'll be able to make the best decision if it's the right tool for you. We have the link to Atlas School AI Assistant in the description below so you can get a head start at the end of this video. Now, starting with the features, Atlas School AI Assistant is packed with functionalities built to support every aspect of your academic life. So here are some of its features. You have personalized academic assistance. Atlas analyzes your specific class materials, including lectures, textbooks, readings, and homework, to provide highly tailored answers and explanations. AI-powered homework helper. Get step-by-step solutions for math, science, and other complex academic problems directly from your course content. Essay and writing generator. With Atlas AI Assistant, you can generate essays, outlines, and get structured writing assistance, helping you craft well-researched academic papers. Automatic lecture notes and summaries. With this tool, you can instantly generate keynote and concise summaries from any lecture, video, or document you upload, saving you hours of manual work. And you have interactive study tools where you can create AI-generated flashcards for memorization and practice quizzes tailored to your subjects to test your knowledge and prepare for exams. Now, with these awesome features, we'd like to let you know about the pricing. Atlas has a free plan and a pro plan. With the free plan, there is a limit to chats, a limit to spaces, and a limit to uploads. So because this is a free plan, it provides access but with significant limitations on usage. And then the pro plan. The pro plan is the opposite of the free plan because it has unlimited chats, unlimited spaces, and unlimited uploads. You can get the pro plan at a yearly subscription of $5.83 per month when billed annually, which is 71% cheaper than the monthly option. The monthly option comes at $19.99. Now here's our recommendation. For the vast majority of students who want to truly leverage Atlas to its full potential throughout the study year, we recommend the Atlas Pro yearly plan at $5.83 per month. Think about it. For less than the cost of a fancy coffee each week, you get unlimited access to an AI assistant that can help you understand hundreds of pages of content, tackle homework, and organize all your study materials without any limits. Of course, with any service, would like to mention the pros and the cons. And starting with the pros, you have enhanced understanding, where it provides explanations grounded directly on your course materials, helping you grasp the complex concepts more deeply. Significant time savings. You can drastically reduce the time spent on homework, note-taking, and study preparation through automation. Improve study efficiency. Atlas offers targeted support with flashcards, quizzes, and personalized assistance, making your study sessions more effective. It is user-friendly, so you won't have a problem with a steep learning curve. And it is highly accurate and personalized. Users often report that Atlas is more accurate than general AI tools like ChatGPT because it uses your specific course content, so the results will be based on the content you provided. On the flip side, you have initial upload time. To get the most personalized experience, you'll need to invest some initial time uploading your course materials, and this might vary depending on the size of your materials. Now, while generally reliable, some users have reported occasional bugs or issues with the app, though these seem to be addressed over time. Futurepedia warning. It is important to note that Futurepedia has flagged Atlas for poor customer reviews or shady practices. Now, while many users provide positive feedback, this is something to be aware of and monitor closely. In conclusion, Atlas School AI Assistant truly stands out as a powerful tool for students currently. Its ability to integrate with your specific course materials and provide tailored, accurate assistance for homework, writing, and study is a game changer. Despite some minor reported bugs and a cautionary flag from Futurepedia, the overwhelming positive user experience highlights its effectiveness in improving academic performance and saving precious time. So if you're looking for AI Copilot to navigate your academic journey with greater ease and efficiency, Atlas is definitely worth exploring. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for an easy access to Atlas AI. And if you found this helpful, do let us know, and thanks for watching.